How to draw the Louisiana State University logo. We are going to start off by drawing the L on the left side of our page. For this, we are going to start by drawing a straight line going up and down. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a straight line going to the right. Nice job! Next, we are going to draw a small straight line going upwards from that. Then we are going to draw a line going towards the left, but it is not going to connect to that straight line we drew up and down. Awesome job! For the next step, we are going to draw a straight line going up and down from the line we left off at. And then we are going to draw a straight line going from left to right, connecting the two sides of our L at the very top. Then we are going to begin drawing our S. For this, we are going to draw a small straight line going up and down right next to the right side of our L. Then we are going to draw a straight line going to the right from the bottom of that small line that curves upwards at the end. Then for the bottom right side of our S, we are going to draw a straight line going upwards from where we left off. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. For the next step, we are going to draw a straight line going to the left. This is going to be the top outline of the middle of our S. Then from that line, we are going to draw a small curved line that goes up and to the right. Then we are going to continue that line going to the right. We are going to draw this line to the right, stopping right where the right outline of our S is at the bottom below it. Then for the top right side of our S, we are going to draw a straight line going up from that. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we are going to draw the top outline of our S by drawing a straight line going to the left from that small straight line going up and down. Then we are going to draw a big curved line that goes to the left and downwards. This will be the top left side of our S. Next, we are going to draw a straight line going to the right from the bottom of that big curved line. Then we are going to draw a small curved line going down and to the left. This is going to be similar to the small curved line we drew for the top inside part of our S. And lastly, for our S, we are going to draw a straight line going to the left, connecting to the small line we drew at the beginning of the S. Now we are going to draw the U for our logo. For this, we will begin by drawing a straight line going up and down just to the right of our S. Then at the top of that line, we are going to draw a small line going to the right. Then from that, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards that ends a little bit above the other straight line that goes up and down for our U. Continuing from that line we just finished drawing, we are going to draw a small line that goes to the right and then curves upwards at the end. Then we are going to draw a straight line going up and down. This will finish the inside outline of our U. Now we are going to do the same thing that we just did for the inside outline of our U, but for the outside outline of our U, and make it a little bit bigger. So from that straight line going up and down to the left, we are going to draw a straight line going to the right that curves upwards at the end, and then continues going straight up to the top of our U. Then we will connect the two sides of our U at the right with a straight line going left to right. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the final step of drawing our LSU logo, we are going to draw an outline inside of each one of these letters. The reason why we are doing this is because then when we go to color in our LSU logo, we are going to color in the middle part purple and the outside outline yellow. If you want to color in your LSU logo all one color, then you can skip this part. This is how to draw the Louisiana State University logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. And if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then stick around until the very end. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.